If he sneezes, you call your
I'm not
ex.
calling my ex again.
What do you mean again?
1. Woo. Come here. Ugh.
You accidentally took out two.
That's not my fault.
Okay, then we're gonna leave that there. 1.
Nah, that's cheating. 1.
Oh, 1. Oh, damn his nose. Damn.
1 again.
Who's gonna get 2?
Oh, that's a dark one.
2. No.
Yeah. He's gonna sneeze. He's gonna sneeze.
Oh, 1.
No.
I have to dig in there. 2.
What?
1.
There's no way, bro. 1.
Oh. No.
You're cooked. You're cooked. He's sneezing 100%.
1.
There is no. If he doesn't sneeze right here, I'm actually gonna crash out.
Come here.